Righty-ho, well, my girlfriend just came running in saying, I need another video, quick, hurry up. So I was making some cowboy hats at the time. So this is Tunisian, 100 million coin. I've done one of these before. But yeah, this is another Ian coin. Thanks, mate. 1993, 1414. Right, first of all, we're going to punch a hole in it. I'm going to use a 3/8 punch. Not my smallest. I want to try and keep all the detail on the coin. There's Miss Buxom Big Bertha. Oh, it's looking good today, darling. Oh. Hot. She's looking hot today. Like today is very hot today. For you guys, some of you guys in the States though, it's probably not that hot, but oh God, there's no rest for the wicked, is there, hey? And I don't think I've been wicked. I think I've been a good boy. Right, there we go. I'll just clean it up with Christy Burr. That is good. So, I think it's quite a soft coin as well, I think. So, it's going to have to be, well, that's a nice design. But so is that. You got a bit of the date there. Oh, I don't know what we're going to do. I'll go this side. I think I'll go with this sunny side up. Yeah, let's do that, shall we? It's too late now. Ruby Lou, there she is. Oh, that's better. Be surprised what a bit of lube can do for you, eh? I'd be lost without it. Right. Let us go over to Big Red and do the old hoochie coochie on it. Oh yeah. That is pretty damn good. So, we'll just clean up the edge a little bit. It ain't too bad. This is just a lady's emery board or nail file. Right, let's show it some love. Bernie. Good movie starting in a little while. I've seen it about 10,000 times, but I'm going to watch it again. Where Eagles Dare. Clint Eastwood, Burt Reynolds. Bloody great movie, bloody fantastic. They don't make them like that anymore, do they? So this Big Brother and all that crap they put on. I must admit, I don't watch TV anymore. Hardly ever. But I get quite a lot of free stuff, and I thought, yeah, I've got to watch that again. Right, let's go over to our best friendist is Spike, the one and only. He's looking quite handsome today. I nearly said wonderful, but I'm Mr. Wonderful, so give it a bit of a turn each time. That protects the kitchen towel, protects you losing the detail on the inside. Give it a turn each time, and it makes sure everything's nice and equal all the way around. Actually looking, getting a little bit thin, and the bow is out of it. See, the edges touch the side. I'll give it another squirt. Okay, that's pretty damn good if you ask me. Right, what we're going to do now, you just want to find one of these where it protrudes slightly. These are reduction dice, and this is what I make rings smaller with. Just make sure it's nice and level, nice and square. Well, a lot of this stuff is sort of self-leveling. You give it a little tap like that, and off she goes. Like that. Beautiful. Nice and level. Have you got anything to cut out the inside? No. That makes a nice change. Right, let's break out. Where is she? There she is. Kate Bush. This is just God Sarah steel wool, very similar. Maybe slightly coarser, but it doesn't really do any damage to the coin. Don't press too hard. You look after it, it will look after you. And it's getting a bit warm. Right, Kate, you've got to go, darling. Come on, please catch on there, for God's sake. There you go. I ain't got time for all this mucking around. Kate. We'll insert Felton John, and I'll give him a bit of a polish. And off we jolly well go. Oh yeah. I want to get back to making my cowboy hat earrings for the market. I've done this. Before I was so rudely interrupted by my darling. Quick, I need another video. I thought I'd done loads of them. Still, he puts up one a day. And she doesn't want to do this when she comes home from work, you know. Because I'm working Saturdays and Sundays now, so she does a load of the videos, 5 for the week. Merge them all up, and then they come on automatically. It's sort of like 4 o'clock weekends and 6 o'clock during the week. I know, because by the time I get home after a day in the market, my first day killed me. So I have this big trolley I have to cart or, you know, push around. We have like a storage area. I suppose what? Half a kilometre away. And it weighs quite a lot. You've got your tent, your tables, all your stuff. And it just killed me. Because I haven't really done much for like, you know, a few months, and all of a sudden you're up and there's no nice introduction, it's just here we go, full blast. It's crazy because we have to get there so early for the lottery so we can get a position. You know, 7:15 they do the lottery, so by the time you've set up, well, I'm pretty quick, I can get set up within, well, I don't know, 3/4 of an hour. By 8 o'clock I'm set up. Of course then, you're sitting around for like 2 or 3 hours before anybody turns up. You get a few Finns walking through on their way to work, you know, but people on holiday ain't going to start walking around the market at bloody 8 o'clock in the morning, are they? And if they're on a cruise ship, sometimes they, you know, they don't get off the ship until 10 or 11 or... yeah. Right, how's it looking? Wow. Look at that. Hey, isn't that beautiful? Looks stunning. Right, what size did we get with this one? The oyster measure from the reeded side, because it's the thickest part of the coin. Sorry about my hands, but I'm always doing something in there, you know. People say, oh, your hands are filthy. Yeah, well, I'm bloody working, you know. 10, sorry about the swear word, 10 and a quarter, 10 and a half. I'd call that pretty sexy, and it fits this finger perfectly. So thanks for all your support. Thank you for hitting the buttons. If you're not subscribed, how about hitting the button for me? Bottom right hand corner of the video. It's free. There's no obligation. And it helped me out no end. Hit the like button. And yeah, I suppose I'll catch you tomorrow, God willing. Have a good day. Behave yourselves. No naughty business going on. Come on, sort yourselves out.